We see about yeast Cryptococcus neoformans. It causing disease name is called as cryptococcosis. Now we see about morphology. Cryptococcus. It is a fungus species Cryptococcus neoformans and Cryptococcus gatti. It have four serotype A, B, C and D. Cryptococcus neoformans comes under A and D. Cryptococcus gatti comes under B and C. This one is capsulated opportunistic mycosis. It causing disease name is called as cryptococcosis. This one mainly affected brain part of HIV infected people. So morphology of cryptococcus, it causing disease name is called as cryptococcosis. It have two different type of species, Cryptococcus neoformans and Cryptococcus gatti. Neoformans comes under serotype A and D. Gatti comes under B and C. This one is capsulated opportunistic mycosis. Mainly affected brain part, meningitis part of HIV infected people. Now we move to pathogenicity. Infection occurred by inhalation of aerosols, form of Cryptococcus. Infection occurred by inhalation of aerosols. Both yeast and basidiospores are causing infection. What is basidiospore? It is a sexual stage of Cryptococcus. So both yeast and basidiopore only causes infection. These airborne particles enter to the lungs. Then it will reach to CNS. Then it crosses PPP, blood bank barrier. Pathogenesis, inhalation of aerosols only. This infection enter to human body. Both yeast and basidiospores are causing infection. First it will enter to lungs, then it will spread to CNS. Now we see about virulence factor. Four different type of virulence factor is there. Polysaccharide capsule. What is the role of polysaccharide? Escape antiphagocytic. Then phenyl oxidase. What is the role of phenyl oxidase? Make melanin. Then phospholipase and urease. What are the virulence factor? Four virulence factor. Polysaccharide capsules, phenyl oxidase, phospholipase and urease. Now we move to risk factor. What are the risk factor presented? HIV, especially Cryptococcus neoformans. Then immunocompromised, malignancy means cancer, steroid therapy and organ transplantation. What are the risk factor presented in Cryptococcus neoformans? HIV, that means CD4 cell count less than 200 microliter means it causes risk. Then immunocompromised, malignancy, steroid therapy and organ transplant. Clinical manifestation, it causes different type of infection. Pulmonary cryptococcosis, especially in immunocompromised persons. Then cryptococcal meningitis, that means it causes headache, fever, sensory loss, memory loss and loss of vision. Then skin lesion, especially in Cryptococcus neoformans, serotype D only. Then osteolytic bone lesions, it affected bone also. So what are the clinical manifestation? Pulmonary, it will affect pulmonary part. Then meningitis, skin lesions and osteolytic bone lesions. Now we move to epidemiology. 1 million cases was affected worldwide. 6 lakhs people died annually. Geographical distribution, serotype A presented worldwide. Cryptococcus gatti presented in the tropical region. D type presented in Europe. Epidemiology, 1 million cases worldwide was affected. 6 lakh people died annually. Geographical distribution, serotype A presented worldwide. D presented Europe. This Cryptococcus gatti mainly presented in the tropical region. Then habitat, where it is present? Soil, pigeon trapping, that means avian trapping. Then eucalyptus tree. Habitat where it is present? Soil, pigeon troughing and eucalyptus tree. Now we see about laboratory diagnosis. What are the specimen we will collect? CSF, blood and skin scraping. What are the specimen? CSF, blood and skin scraping. Direct deduction method, negative staining method, it will demonstrate capsules. Here we are using modified Indian ink. In Indian ink we are adding 2% mercurochrome. Mercurochrome we are adding into the Indian ink. Then necrosin stain, black background, capsules will be clear space. Direct deduction method we are using negative staining, we will demonstrate that capsules. What are the staining method we are using? Modified Indian ink. We are adding 2% mercurochrome. Then necrosin staining method, gram staining also we are using. In gram staining used for both bacterial and fungal identification. Other staining, Musi carmine, Mason Fontana staining and Alzian blue staining. What are the other staining? Musi carmine used for cell wall detection. Then Manson Fontana staining, melanin identification. Then Alzian blue stain, capsule detection. So direct deduction method, negative staining, we are using modified Indian ink and necrosin staining, gram staining. Other important staining, Musi carmine, Manson Fontana and Alzian blue staining we are using. Then one more important test, antigen detection, lactase agglutination test. Then culturing method, in the case of CSF, cerebrovinal fluid, means we are using STA, saffrose dextrose agar, blood agar, chocolate agar. In the case of blood, means we will collect blood by using biphasic blood culture bottle. Here colonies appear as mucoid, creamy white and yeast-like colony it will produce. Antigen detection method we are using lactase agglutination test. Culturing in the case of CSF means we are using STA. What is STA? Saffrose dextrose agar, blood agar, chocolate agar. In the case of blood means we are using biphasic blood culture bottle. Then confirmation test. Confirmation test, 4 different type of test we are using. First one is Niger seed agar and bird seed agar. It will demonstrate melanin. It will grow at 37 degrees Celsius. Urease test also positive. In biochemical test, urease it one positive. Then assimilation of inositol and nitrate. Mouse pathogenicity test also we are using. For confirmation, 4 different type of test we are using. Niger seed agar and blood seed agar, it will grow 37 degrees Celsius, demonstrate melanin. Then biochemical test, urease test, positive result only. Then assimilation of inositol and nitrate. Then final one is mouse pathogenicity test. Then treatment, fluconazole without CNS involvement, means we are using fluconazole. In the case of HIV patient affected with this disease, means we are using amphotericin B and flucytosine. But fluconazole used for lifelong purpose. Treatment purpose without CNS involvement means fluconazole. HIV patient CNS also involved means amphotericin B and flucytosine. Then fluconazole only used for lifelong purpose. Laboratory diagnosis, what are the sample we will collect? CNS, blood and skin scraping. Staining method, negative staining, modified Indian ink, necrosin staining, gram staining. Other 3 different type of staining. Antigen detection, lactase agglutination test. Culture CSF and blood sample we are using STA, saffrose dextrose agar, blood agar and chocolate agar. Confirmation test, Niger seed agar test, bad seed agar. 2 different type of medium we are using. Urease test, inositol and nitrate test. Mouse pathogenicity test. Treatment: fluconazole, amphotericin B, flucytosine and fluconazole only used for lifelong purpose.